Tired of wrestling with messy text data in your Excel spreadsheets? Let's transform it. Ever encounter stubborn characters in your Excel cells that just won't disappear? Today, we're going to master the art of removing them, making your data pristine and ready for anything. Our primary tool for this task is the powerful substitute function. Imagine you have a column of phone numbers, and you want to remove all the hyphens. You'll start by clicking into an empty cell next to your data. Then, you'll type equals, followed by substitute. This function takes a few arguments. First, you tell it which cell contains the text you want to modify. Next, you specify the exact character or text you want to find and replace. In our phone number example, this would be the hyphen. Then, you tell Excel what you want to replace that character with. Since we want to remove it, we'll enter an empty set of quotation marks. Finally, for our basic use, we don't need to specify the instance number, so we can close the parenthesis. Once you've entered the formula, press enter, and behold, the unwanted character is gone. To apply this to the rest of your column, simply click the small square at the bottom right of the cell containing your formula and drag it down. It's that simple to clean up entire columns. This technique is incredibly versatile whether you need to remove currency symbols, extra spaces, parentheses, or any other specific character. The substitute function is your go-to solution for achieving clean, standardized data. By mastering the substitute function, you not only clean up messy data but also prepare it perfectly for analysis, reporting, and further manipulation. Give it a try and see the difference it makes.